Hey wealth explorers! If you've been curious about the world of cryptocurrencies and how to invest in them, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to demystify cryptocurrency investing and provide you with a beginner's guide to get started. Let's begin with the basics. What exactly are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They exist only in electronic form and aren't controlled by any central authority, like a government or a bank. It is like digital assets that have value, just like gold and silver. They are created and managed through a technology called blockchain, which ensures transparency and security. Example: Bitcoin is one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies. It's like having a digital version of money that you can use for various transactions and investments. Now, let's walk through the steps to start investing in cryptocurrencies. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It is a digital marketplace for cryptocurrencies, where you can exchange your traditional currency for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others. Popular cryptocurrency exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. We will provide a link in the pinned comment so that you can easily find one. Step 2. Create an account. Create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange by providing your personal information, verifying your identity, and setting up security measures. This is essential for security and regulatory compliance. Your personal information helps prevent fraud and ensures that you're a legitimate user. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and in some cases, a government-issued ID. Step 3. Secure a cryptocurrency wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is like a digital safe where you store your cryptocurrencies. There are different types, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and online wallets. Your wallet keeps your investments secure. It's where you store your private keys, which are like digital passwords for your cryptocurrencies. Imagine it as a digital piggy bank, where you keep your digital coins safe. Step 4. Fund your account. Funding your account means depositing traditional currency, like US dollars, into your cryptocurrency exchange account. You need to load your account with funds to buy cryptocurrencies. This can be done through bank transfers, credit cards, or other methods. If you want to invest $100 in Bitcoin, you'll need to deposit $100 into your exchange account. Step 5. Buy cryptocurrency. Buying cryptocurrency is the act of exchanging your traditional currency for a specific cryptocurrency, based on its current market price. When you buy cryptocurrency, you're essentially acquiring digital tokens that represent a part of that cryptocurrency. If you invest $100, you'll receive the equivalent value in your chosen cryptocurrency. Step 6. Monitor your investments. Monitoring your investments involves keeping an eye on the performance of your cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency prices can be volatile, so it's important to track how your investments are doing. Example: you might see the value of your investment rise or fall over time, and this information helps you make informed decisions. Conclusion: investing in cryptocurrency is an exciting journey that empowers you to explore a new frontier of financial opportunities. By following these simple steps, you can enter the world of cryptocurrencies and potentially grow your wealth. Just remember to invest wisely, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, what are you waiting for? Start your cryptocurrency investment journey today and join the growing community of cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Don't forget to share this with our whole community. A big thanks to you.